Introducing the brand new HOTO Grip cordless spin scrubber. HOTO Grip is easy to handle, lightweight, and compact. A clear digital display shows you real-time status, and with simple controls, cleaning has never been this easy. Spinning at up to 400 RPM, it delivers deep and effortless cleaning. It comes with 6 specialized brush heads, all attaching magnetically. Just a light snap and you're good to go. The small flat brush is perfect for everyday cleaning of flat surfaces. The pointed brush reaches tight spots, corners, and crevices, great for sinks and edges. The cycle brush is ideal for dishes and cooking utensils. The metal cloth brush tackles heavy-duty stove cleaning. The sponge brush is gentle on delicate cookware and surfaces. And the scour pad brush removes stubborn stains from uncoated cookware and greasy stovetops with ease. The Grip features USB-C fast charging, and with an IPX7 waterproof rating, it's fully protected against water. HOTO Grip. Cleaning has never been this easy. While it was by far the hardest thing I've ever done, that's also part of the beauty of the reward. Having seen what I was actually capable of, sharing skills for living in the wilderness, not just surviving, is one of my passions. Doing more with less and recognizing all of the gifts we already have before us to live the lives we dream of is so important. When I first heard that I was going to be on alone, a whirlwind of preparations overtook my mind. I was very careful in my gear selection. I knew my life would depend on it. Leaving behind a fixed blade knife and bringing only my Leatherman, I was able to process all of the game, complete woodworking and shelter building projects. Everything I needed was possible with the tools on my Leatherman. The Alone Frozen season was designed to be the most grueling alone challenge ever. And yet, it was still harder than any of us expected. We were dropped over a month later than most seasons in far more challenging conditions. I was busy every second of every day just trying to meet my basic needs. It was infinitely harder than any of us were prepared for. I'm incredibly proud to have persevered and become the first woman to win an Alone season. It's deeply gratifying to have achieved that. Sharing skills and practices that help people connect with the natural world absolutely changes lives. That's what fuels me and keeps me going. If I can inspire others to take on challenges and believe they're fully capable, then I'll consider my time on Alone and my work in the world a true success. The GPCA Carabiner Pro X key builds on the robust titanium and steel foundation of our Pro models, bringing you all the essential multi-tools with exciting new additions. It's your ultimate everyday carry companion for adventurers and explorers alike. This super compact key module securely holds up to 3 keys, ready to deploy whenever you need them. Take on your daily tasks with ease, clip it anywhere, and make it your go-to EDC tool that even pops open a drink. The new GPCA Pro X key line is a solidly built key carabiner that not only streamlines your keys but also includes built-in multi-tools, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a handy box cutter, and more. It's the perfect carabiner to simplify everything you carry every day. Now your tools and keys are seamlessly integrated. The key module also retrofits the original Carabiner Pro, so no more fumbling for keys, and you can even customize it your way. The Pro X features double-sided multi-tools, a dedicated key zone, and even a hidden capsule for extra storage. Crafted from premium titanium and steel, the GPCA Pro line is built to last, with every detail fine-tuned for maximum functionality and durability. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, an everyday adventurer, or someone who simply appreciates top-tier design, the GPCA Carabiner Pro X key is your versatile everyday essential. For the unknown, for the growth, for the stories, for the adventure, for the challenge, for the connection, for the curious, for the open-minded, for the bold, for the travelers.